that's bees. I can definitely hear bees somewhere. And if I can just find the hive and get to the honey, that would just be ace.
Honey is full of sugars, like glucose and fructose, and it'll give me tons of energy to keep me going.
Oh, look, there they are, there, look. Look at that, you see them, they're just going mad round that little tree.
Many hives in Hawaii have been colonised by African bees, and they're much more aggressive than the native species. If these are African bees, that means big trouble.
Oh no, look, they're not liking this at all. That would be yeah, this is going to be certain mass sting if I try and grab this. No, I'm going to need another plan to be able to get that honey.
The best way to calm angry bees is with smoke, and here's how you do it.
This is what I've been looking for, these monstera leaves. And all I do is that I take 2 of these leaves and then get a load of this dried grass that's just around here as well. Okay, what I want to do with these is just lay this one on top of that and really roll this in tight. And then roll it. And before I actually light this, I'm also going to need this face mask. I can use this old t-shirt again, and this is just to stop any of the bees going up my nose, in my mouth, or in my ears. Okay, this is ready to light. And then I just pull this top one all the way over to the bottom.
By wrapping the bundle tightly, I'm limiting the amount of air that can get to the twigs. It will smoulder and give off smoke, but won't catch light.
Now, first of all, I need to waft this smoke over them and try and calm them down a bit.
The smell of the smoke makes the bees return to the hive and gorge themselves on honey. Eating the honey calms them down, so I'm less likely to get stung.
Okay, I think that should do it. I've got it. Awesome. The great thing about honey is that this stuff never goes bad. Even when they find it in the pyramids, all they have to do is reheat it, and it's good enough to eat again. And it's just so pure. Thanks, bees.